Morning. This is about assignment 1, and we're creating a research list for not only this assignment but also for future and subsequent assignments that we'll be accomplishing this semester in tourism, Introduction to Tourism. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to pick a state and or country to work with. Pick somewhere you dream of traveling. The only thing I ask is don't pick Pennsylvania or Scotland. Scotland is my area of expertise in my research, and I use it to frame a lot of the arguments as well as the discussion area when we're in class to show you examples. Pennsylvania, I grew up in Pennsylvania. I know Pennsylvania. Just like you guys know Wisconsin, Minnesota, or the state in which you grew up. You could have grew up in Illinois. You could grow up in Iowa, Idaho. Again, pick a state that you maybe want to travel to. Go into D2L and put it into the discussion area. Have a backup of a few choices because you may get to D2L, may get to discussion area, and your state of choice has already been picked. You'll need to come up with a backup in order to have that state. Not everyone can have the same state, so please pick a different state if it's already been chosen. So let's go into Google or Safari. And I want you to open up a browser. And now the second part of this assignment is you're going to have to provide some research links to me about your state. Now again, I'm the student, I'm playing the student, and I'm using Pennsylvania. And I'm going to look for the official tourism website of Pennsylvania. Okay, and here has come up, of course, of a list. All right. And there's two things you could notice here, or actually three things that you notice. Again, don't discount what comes up. Again, look at things and keep this bookmarked. Here is Pennsylvania. VisitPA.com, of course, is the official travel and tourism website of the state of Pennsylvania. What's unique is if you're trying to find your particular state, like Visit Illinois, maybe it's visitil.com. Maybe it's visitwisconsin.com. Again, don't discount that visit. I can show you that another example is that what is the website for Scotland? It's visitscotland.com. So visit seems to be a key word in trying to find a particular state and or country. So keep that in mind. So again, here's the official website for Pennsylvania, but I'm going to go back to that Google and look at what comes up. Here's Visit PA, the official travel and tourism website for the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Find Pennsylvania Tourism Office contacts and information. And if you notice on part A of number 2 is you need to identify 2 cities for your state as well as the capital. And the capital, of course, of Pennsylvania is Harrisburg. And 2 major cities are Philadelphia and Pittsburgh. This listing here will probably give me information about those cities. So if I look for Pittsburgh, and I put up my find here, see the box will come up, and I put in Pittsburgh. Oops, I can spell. Here's Visit Pittsburgh. See visit? I'm telling you, that's a key word. So again, here's Visit Pennsylvania, or Visit Pittsburgh, excuse me. And there's the website for Pittsburgh. Okay. If I go back here and put in Philadelphia, here's Philadelphia. But on this page too, if you notice the assignment and you've read the assignment before you start doing this and you understand what you're looking for, okay, you've highlighted the keywords that I'm looking for. Here's the Convention and Visitors Bureau. Do we not have to find a Convention and Visitors Bureau like for Philadelphia? There it is. Oops, it went back to Google. Somebody didn't do their job correctly. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to copy that. Okay, and I'm going to go into Google. And I'm going to put that in there. And you see they've changed their and I think that was listed on there, wasn't it? See, here it is. Also, you can see it within the email address. Again, they changed it, but they never changed the link up here, which somebody didn't do their job. So here is Discover Philadelphia. And again, you're going to need that Convention and Visitors Bureau information. See if you can find, the second big city as well as maybe the capital. Okay. And then I want you to find where the Department of Tourism is located. I want you to find the government website. And again, if I go back to that main Google, that official tourism website of Pennsylvania Google search, I found pa.gov, which is the government website for Pennsylvania. I want you to book that. So I know from looking in the official website for Pennsylvania, I know down here that tourism should be under the Department of Community and Economic Development. So I'm going to copy that and see if I put that in there. See, there's the Department of Community and Economic Development. I pasted it in there. And I'm going to see if I can find something. So these are services. Let's see if it's under agency. See if they have a website. There it is. So that's what I want to find too. And that will give me the government. So you've got the pa.gov area, and now you have the Department of Community and Economic Development. Again, look at which information they have. See what links they have. Go through and find out exactly, what's going on. Here's a nice, map of Pennsylvania. Philadelphia's right here. Here in Allegheny, and this area is where Pittsburgh is. And if I keep going down here, what's really nice is, look, there are some statistics. You're going to need this information. See if you can find some current economic information about travel and tourism for your state. And so I'm gonna need this information. I can save it, of course, to my computer. So create a folder on your desktop for this information, because you're going to need this information. So this is to help you find those websites. I hope it was helpful. If you need any more clarification, please, there is an area in D2L to ask the teacher. And don't be afraid to ask me for further clarification. And if you need any more help. And that's assignment number 1. Good luck.